21 famous Italian symbols and meanings, icons of Italy. Italy, a country rich in history and culture, boasts a unique collection of symbols epitomizing its heritage. While the state officially recognizes some famous Italian symbols, others have become integral to the nation's cultural fabric. Delving into these Italian symbols, emblems, personifications, and allegories allows us to explore the essence of Italy and appreciate its remarkable past. What are the 21 most famous Italian symbols? Let's uncover the cultural significance of 21 famous Italian symbols, shedding light on their meaning and importance in Italy's vibrant identity. National colors of Italy. The national colors of Italy are green, white, and red. These colors are prominently featured on the Italian flag, also known as the tricolor. Each color has its significance. Green represents hope, white symbolizes faith, and red stands for charity. Combining these colors is thought to embody the unity and strength of the Italian people, reflecting their shared history, culture, and ideals. National Day of Italy. The National Day of Italy, also known as Festa della Repubblica, is celebrated annually on June 2. This day commemorates the 1946 referendum, in which the Italian people chose a republican form of government over a monarchy, leading to the formation of the Italian Republic. Festa della Repubblica is marked by various events, including parades, concerts, and fireworks, as Italians celebrate their national identity and the values of democracy and freedom. Currency of Italy. In the past, Italy's currency was the lira. However, today, the country uses the euro as its official currency. The transition from the lira to the euro took place in 1999. Since then, Italy and many other European countries have widely adopted the euro. National flower of Italy. The national flower of Italy is the lily, specifically the white lily, Lilium candidum. The lily is a symbol of purity, innocence, and virtue. Its elegant beauty and strong fragrance have made it popular for various celebrations, including weddings and religious ceremonies. The lily is often associated with the Virgin Mary in Italian art and culture. This white flower has been used to symbolize the city of Florence, one of Italy's most culturally and historically significant cities. Also, read 10 stunning Italian flowers that will make your garden bloom. Italian flag. The Italian flag's colors take inspiration from the French flag, but the blue from the French flag has been replaced with the green of Milan's Civic Guard. The Italian flag has undergone numerous modifications since 1797, and the present tricolor pattern was established as the Italian Republic's national flag in 1946. The flag features 3 primary colors: green, white, and red. One interpretation of these colors is that green symbolizes the hills and plains of Italy, white signifies the snow-capped mountains, and red represents the blood spilled during the nation's unification and independence. Alternatively, a more religious explanation associates green with hope, red with charity, and white with faith. Aquila. Derived from the Latin word for eagle, Aquila was a prominent symbol in ancient Rome. Roman legionaries, known as aquilifers, carried this standard, which held significant importance to soldiers as a representation of their legion. Protecting and recovering the eagle's standard in battle was crucial, as losing it was considered the ultimate disgrace. Today, some European nations and cultures feature eagles similar to Aquila on their flags, often as a nod to their connections with the Roman Empire. Emblem of Italy. Italy's emblem features a 5-pointed white star called the Stella d'Italia on a 5-spoke cogwheel. An olive branch on one side and an oak branch on the other surround the cogwheel, tied with a red ribbon inscribed with Repubblica Italiana. The Italian government extensively uses this emblem, formally adopted by the Italian Republic in 1949. The oak branch symbolizes the strength and dignity of the Italian people, while the olive branch represents peace. The emblem's design intentionally deviates from conventional norms. Stella d'Italia. The Stella d'Italia, a white, 5-pointed star, is among Italy's oldest national symbols, with origins tracing back to ancient Greece. The star symbolically embodies the Italian peninsula's luminous future and has represented it for generations. In the 16th century, the star became associated with Italia Turrida, the personification of Italy as a nation. By the mid-20th century, it was incorporated as a key element of Italy's emblem. Italia Turrida. Italia Turrida, or Turreted Italy, is Italy's national personification, depicted as a young woman. She wears a mural crown adorned with towers that circle her head. Occasionally, the Stella d'Italia and other Italian emblems appear alongside her. The towers are connected to ancient Rome and have come to represent Italian cities over time. Political, literary, and artistic representations of Italia Turrida have been widespread for centuries, making her one of Italy's most iconic and important symbols. Italian wolf, cane lupo. While Italy's national animal is a matter of debate, the grey wolf, also known as the Apennine wolf, is often considered the unofficial symbol. These wolves inhabit the Apennine Mountains and are the area's dominant wild animals and sole large predators. Legend states that a female grey wolf nursed Romulus and Remus, the founders of Rome, linking the grey wolf to Italy's founding myths. Today, the grey wolf population faces a decline, rendering them endangered. Roman toga. The Roman toga, an iconic garment from ancient Rome, served as a military cloak and was draped around the wearer's body. Worn above armor, it was a quadrilateral piece of fabric fastened at the shoulder with a clasp, symbolizing combat while also signifying peace. The toga's color would change depending on the context. Emperors and victorious generals donned purple togas, while dark-colored ones were reserved for funerals. As time passed, togas became increasingly elaborate and featured a variety of colors based on the wearer's preference. David by Michelangelo. Between 1501 and 1504, the Italian artist Michelangelo created his iconic marble sculpture of David, which has since become one of the world's most famous landmarks. Standing at 17 feet tall, this historical symbol portrays the biblical figure David in a double life-sized representation, armed with a stone in one hand and a slingshot in the other, ready for combat. As time passed, David's statue evolved into a symbol of the protection of civil liberties within the autonomous city-state of Florence. Laurel wreath. Originating in Greece, the laurel wreath is a well-known Italian symbol. The Greek sun god Apollo is frequently depicted wearing a laurel wreath on his head. In ancient times, laurel wreaths were awarded to victors in athletic competitions, including the Olympics. In Rome, these wreaths symbolized military triumph and were used to crown successful commanders. While ancient wreaths typically resembled a horseshoe shape, modern versions are complete circles. Laurel wreaths are sometimes utilized in heraldry as a shield or charge. Cockade of Italy. The Italian cockade is a national emblem consisting of green, white, and red ribbons folded together, reflecting the colors of the Italian flag. Green is in the center, white surrounds it, and red forms the ornament's border. During the uprisings leading to Italian unification, the cockade was a widespread symbol. Patriots attached it to their hats and jackets until Italy's regions unified in 1861, giving rise to the Kingdom of Italy. Globus, orb/globe. The globus is a prevalent symbol in Rome, appearing on statues and coins throughout the Roman Empire. It is often depicted in the hand of an emperor or beneath his foot, signifying control over the vast Roman territories. The globus represents the Earth in its spherical form and the universe. Roman gods, particularly Jupiter, are frequently shown grasping a globe or standing over it, symbolizing the god's ultimate authority over the land. Strawberry tree. The strawberry tree became an Italian symbol during the late 19th century amidst the country's unification. Its autumn hues evoke the colors of the Italian flag, green in the leaves, white in the flowers, and red in the berries. The strawberry tree is also recognized as Italy's national tree. Giovanni Paccoli was the first to associate the strawberry tree with Italy and connect it to the Italian flag. Gladiator helmet. The gladiator helmet is a prominent Italian symbol closely associated with the ancient Roman Empire. These helmets were worn by gladiators, professional fighters known for their intense battles in Roman arenas. Crafted from durable metals like bronze or iron, the helmets featured intricate designs and protected the wearer's head and face during combat. The gladiator helmet represents not only the strength and courage of these warriors but also the rich history and culture of ancient Romans. Today, the gladiator helmet serves as a reminder of Italy's powerful past and continues to captivate people with its fascinating legacy. National dessert of Italy, tiramisu. Tiramisu is often considered the national dessert of Italy. Although there are numerous delicious desserts in Italian cuisine, tiramisu is the most famous Italian dessert worldwide. This classic dessert consists of layers of coffee-soaked ladyfinger biscuits, rich mascarpone cheese, and a dusting of cocoa powder, offering a delightful and indulgent treat. National dish of Italy, ragu alla bolognese. While pizza is typically the first dish that comes to mind when considering Italian cuisine, the authentic national dish of Italy is ragu alla bolognese. This dish is widely recognized globally in various forms, with spaghetti bolognese being one of its most popular iterations. Ragu alla bolognese is a hearty, slow-cooked meat sauce originating from Bologna. It is often served with pasta and enjoyed by people worldwide for its rich, savory flavors. National trees of Italy, olive and oak trees. The national trees of Italy are the olive, Olea europea, and oak, Quercus spp, trees, which hold significant importance in Italian culture, history, and economy. The olive tree has been cultivated in Italy for thousands of years, dating back to Roman times. It is deeply ingrained in the Italian way of life. Olive trees are admired for their beauty and longevity and provide essential resources, such as olives and olive oil. Olive oil has been a staple in Italian cuisine and a symbol of peace, prosperity, and wisdom. The resilient nature of olive trees, which can withstand harsh conditions and continue to bear fruit, represents the strength and perseverance of the Italian people. On the other hand, the oak tree is valued for its majestic appearance, strength, and durability. In Italy, oak trees can be found in various regions, from the plains to the mountains. Throughout history, oak wood has been used for building ships, furniture, and wine barrels, showcasing its versatility and practicality. The oak tree also symbolizes stability, endurance, and deep-rooted traditions, reflecting the long-standing heritage and values of the Italian nation. National bird of Italy, Italian sparrow. The national bird of Italy is the sparrow, Passer domesticus. This small, adaptable bird can be found in various habitats across Italy, including urban centers, farmlands, and woodlands. With its familiar chirping song and social nature, the sparrow holds a special place in the hearts of Italians. The sparrow represents simplicity, resourcefulness, and the ability to thrive in diverse environments. As a symbol of adaptability and community, the sparrow reflects the spirit of the Italian people, who have long been known for their ability to embrace change and innovation while preserving their rich culture and traditions. Celebrating Italy's cultural tapestry through its iconic symbols. In exploring Italy's famous symbols, we have uncovered the rich tapestry of the nation's culture, history, and Italian language. These 21 famous Italian symbols, including historical symbols and the most famous Italian landmarks, serve as a testament to Italy's diverse heritage and distinctive character, providing an enthralling insight into the core of Italian life. As you delve deeper into these symbols, may they inspire you to immerse yourself further in Italy's captivating culture and possibly personally embrace the Italian way of life.